Hello everyone and welcome. In today's mini tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a serial port on your router. As you can see here, there is no ports to connect the serial cable. To solve this issue, you just have to add a module to your router. First, turn off your router. Then add the WICT2 module in the slot 0. And finally turn on your router. Now redo the same steps for the other routers. Now let's connect the routers with the serial cable. Done! I hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.